What is up, guys? Let's go fishing, back with another video. And today I just got back home from blackfishing with Zach. And I mean, we caught a ton of fish. All of them were very small. We had to go into like a couple coves because the water was just really bad. And literally right after there was like a snowstorm around the Connecticut area. So we caught a ton of blackfish. I caught a keeper sea bass. My dad caught a keeper sea bass. And we just didn't catch a keeper blackfish, but the captain ended up catching one and giving it to us to eat. So here's just gonna be the video and the catching part of it. I'm not gonna be doing a catch and cook because we kind of already ate it and I didn't feel like recording it. But it came out really good. We did really good, but there just wasn't a lot of keepers. So let's get right into the video.
There we go. There we go.
Not even down yet.
Yeah, no, I'm waiting for him to come up. There we go.
Yeah.
Here we go. There we go.
Dad on his first.
Hey. Hey, it's one.
It's alright though.
It's a fish.
There's small ones, there's big ones, guys. Who was the first fish?
There you go. Oh my God. There he is.
That one?
Yep.
That's a keeper?
No.
Or small?
Small.
Got a catch for you?
I got him. Or not. Yeah, I got him. Jesus, chill. Damn, that's like, okay. Sick. Oh yeah, Zach.
That's why I keep it. Nice to meet you.
Real. Double up.
Yeah.
Big, you leave them in the water. Oh, that's
Oh.
a nice one.
Yes, Zach.
Hey.
Hey. Nah.
He looks.
Two, one, drop.
Yesterday, he should throw up over the sides. Now I'm afraid I might lose my teeth, so he had it.
Small sea bass.
He had to throw up in the bucket.
That's a good one.
That one?
Yeah.
Good. You need to keep a good table. Huh? Your net?
Oh no, yet. I haven't seen them.
I see something.
Oh my God,
Oh,
big sea bass.
Big sea bass. That's a keeper, right? Sea bass. Might be it.
Alright.
Nice.
It's a keeper now.
Maybe. I guess you win.
Yeah. Yeah. I am. I just felt like a better fish.
Once the bigger one moves into the bait, the little ones scatter off.
See you, buddy. You have to like.
No, it's fine. I like it.
I'm gonna wait to see how much he has.
Exactly.
By the end.
That's I want to wait. Got him? Got him?
Yup. Oh my, porgy. What?
Look at how mixed that. Yeah, they're around.
Wait, we could keep them?
You want to, yep. Let's see still. Another black fish.
Where's the bucket? We'll take this. Dude, I knew that wasn't, oh, what is it called?
Blackfish?
Either or.
Got him?
Here, let me take this.
We should do side by side, my fish and your fish.
Wanna hold it?
Yeah.
Here. Here. Dad, do you have your camera?
Nope. Keeper?
Here. Here. Yeah. Ah, you're good.
PB?
PB. Yep. That's what you like. That's what you like to see. Only giants here. That's a fish. Yeah. It's a giant. See ya. No.
No, that's it.
Fish on!
Shot again?
I'm definitely coming over.
No! No, stay where you are.
Put those two together, they would have been a keeper.
Nah, the other one was so tiny.
Finally caught a break.
Oh yeah!
What are you doing? You're on the. There was a number. Fish on.
Bing bong! Yep. Oh, I saw that too. Oh, Mr. Mans, you gotta calm down, Mr. Mans. Thank you. No, he has to calm down. There he is. Oh my God! No, mine's big. Mine's big, Dad. Sea bass. Let's go, Zach. Please be a keeper. How to set a hook. Yeah, that's what it really comes down to. It just broke me off. No, I wasn't stuck on a rock. That was a big fish.
Keep telling yourself that.
No. I was recording. No, I want to. Oh, no.
Through the eyes, it's gonna be hard when I get out.
We should have stayed where we were.
Got him.
That's a big fish. Or not.
No, it's not big.
So that mark?
It is.
Oh, nice.
I knew how he landed like that.
Lost him.
I'ma name you Luca. You look like Luca.
There he is. Bite to him?
Very nice. Let's try it. Okay. That's a good fight.
That might almost be legal.
Type of speaker. Something good.
Yeah, I got him.
What's good? What's good?
There's not a shot. He's a keeper. Oh my God.
There we go. Get another one, too.
That's a better
Hey, we
fish.
got another one.
That's a better fish.
That is unbelievable.
That's a better fish. That
He's
is.
got my line. Oh, I'm trying to
Dude, just come on. You're like right there, too.